Firstly, I want to introduce to our incubator center. This building mainly as our Weihai Innovation Park, Energy Saving and Environmental Protection Center. We mainly just partner with the government, incubate a lot of the international entrepreneur come here from startup high-tech company to the successful corporation. The second, also on behalf of our government, like Weihai Silk Road Trade Cooperation Center to do like Silk Road countries trade promotion jobs. And third, I'm also the boss for HTR, and now we have a joint venture with ASPP for the Weihai ASPP. I know Victor for over 2 years from 2017, and we as begin for the motto. His team, Moscow ASPP, and also with his Germany background, have many years, nearly 30 years for AC R&D. So we partner together from Weihai with our electric car. Tested so many times because our team also have experience for the controller and the whole car. With ASPP AC motor, we partner together to finish very perfect performance AC motor and controller system. Even now, and we supplied a lot of countries, including like Mexico, Korea, Europe, Thailand. Now but only mass production, only half a year. But now we get more and more big order from Korea, from Bangkok, from Europe, because of our high quality and high efficiency, very perfect consumption performance. Also, Victor and my partner, with his 30 years experience for motor and controller, and also for electric vehicle, supported our teams, supported by our team, and we won the mountain tie of Shandong, the top prize. So we got a very strong supported by our government. So our tech and our business is supported by our government, now growing very fast. And now we finish a lot of the electric vehicles, and one of the electric car, the speed is only 90, not very too faster. We'll finish the European certificate very soon. We will sell it in the European market. But next step, we prepared with some big partner to prepare the high-speed car, even like high-speed truck. I think in the future, try catch like Tesla. So our Luzhou EV original from roughly nearly 20 years. We have, at the beginning, we produced a lot of the high-speed electric car. Now, and supported by some of the very good performance motor and controller, we can try. Still, we will try next step. Try the high speed, like 130 or 150 km as per hour high speed car. That is our next step plan. Now we have just some big motorcycle. We will finish Korea certificate for the high speed using our ASPP motor and controller. Also, we prepared finish our electric car for the European market. will finish the EEC certificate with our 10 kW ASPP technology motor and controller. I wish and our partnership will be better and better to gain more and more orders in the future. Thank you.